Woodstone started in 1990 from one pizza oven where they threw in some wood and a frozen pizza and started selling to local companies around the Seattle area. And since then, we've grown to more than 100 countries and 18,000 installations worldwide.
Before, with our old ERP, some of the things we were doing, we were really driving blind. And with Business One, we now have visibility into some of the underlying numbers and figures and what's driving those. Our processes feel more efficient and vastly improved. Enware was the first company to be as honest and responsive right from the get-go. They talk the talk and they walk the walk. Enware has been a very valuable partner in supporting our MRP function with the SAP B1 add-on BEOS. They have a level of mastery of this particular function that is really needed to support the product, and we didn't have that before.
We put people first, and that starts with employees, and then it goes out to our customers. And with a Woodstone, the 3 to 5 minute pie that you're doing in the morning is the same 3 to 5 minute pie you do in your rush hour, which is where you're making your money.